Starting your own brand can be a daunting task, but it can also be an incredibly rewarding experience. Whether you are an artist looking to sell your creations, a small business owner looking to expand your reach, or simply someone with a great idea for a product or service, creating your own brand can help you stand out in a crowded marketplace and build a loyal customer base. But where do you start? Here is a step-by-step guide on how to make your own brand. Define your brand. The first step in creating your own brand is to define what makes your product or service unique. What sets you apart from your competitors? What values and mission does your brand represent? Answering these questions will help you develop a clear brand identity and message that resonates with your target audience. Choose a brand name. Once you have a clear idea of what your brand represents, it's time to choose a brand name. Your brand name should be memorable, easy to pronounce and spell, and relevant to your product or service. It's also a good idea to check if the domain name is available and if the social media handles are not already taken. Create a visual identity. Your visual identity, which includes your logo, color palette, and font choices, is an important part of your brand. A well-designed visual identity helps to establish your brand's credibility and makes it easy for customers to recognize and remember your brand. Consider hiring a professional designer to create a cohesive visual identity that reflects your brand's values and personality. Develop a brand voice. Your brand voice refers to the tone and style of your communication, whether it's through your website, social media, or customer interactions. Your brand voice should be consistent across all channels and should reflect your brand's personality and values. For example, if your brand is fun and playful, your brand voice should be friendly and light-hearted. Build a website. A website is an essential part of any modern brand, as it serves as the hub for all your online activities. Your website should be easy to navigate, visually appealing, and clearly communicate your brand's message. Consider hiring a professional web designer or using a website builder like Wix or Squarespace to create a professional-looking website. Create social media profiles. In today's digital age, social media is an essential tool for building and engaging with your audience. Create profiles on the platforms where your target audience is most active, and post regularly with valuable, engaging content that reflects your brand's voice and values. Define your target audience. Knowing your target audience is crucial to building a successful brand. Consider factors like age, location, interests, and needs when defining your target audience. This will help you create marketing campaigns and content that speaks directly to your ideal customer. Create a content marketing strategy. Content marketing is a powerful way to attract and retain customers by creating valuable, relevant, and consistent content that speaks to your target audience. Consider creating a blog, podcast, or video series that addresses the needs and interests of your audience and helps to establish your brand as an authority in your industry. Use SEO to optimize your website and content. SEO, or search engine optimization, is the practice of optimizing your website and content to rank higher in search engine results. By using relevant keywords and phrases, optimizing your website's structure and content, and building high-quality backlinks, you can improve your website's visibility and attract more qualified traffic. Network and collaborate with other brands and influencers. Building relationships with other brands and influencers in your industry can help you tap into new audiences and expand your reach.